Um, Hello there, I'll today show you how to correctly export your assets from Blender to Unreal Engine 4. So just have a look and follow. I have Blender installed. Let me just open it. Okay, so all you have to do is to just install an add-on, which is this one, pipeline sent to Unreal. So I am putting a link in the description so you can download and get that, but I'll recommend you to get that add-on from official GitHub page of Epic Games. These are pretty self-explanatory. You have to choose path, and then this directory is automatically created, which is the game directory of your Unreal projects. And okay, let me just launch Epic Games. So by installing that add-on, you'll see you have a pipeline option in the menu bar. So click it, select your object, go to the pipeline, export, and send to Unreal. I've assigned the shortcut Control U. You're gonna assign the shortcut by right-clicking on the option, and see here's the assign shortcut. Here's the option if you wanna assign something. So here's the Epic Store. I'm launching my Unreal Engine. See the version 4.26.2. The plugin will only work with the Unreal Engine 4 having version 4.23 and above. So let me show you how to download the add-on. Go to your search engine, go to GitHub, go to the Epic engine, Epic launcher, go to account, manage account, go to the connections, accounts, and you have to link your GitHub account. After doing that, you will receive an email like this one. Let me just show you. See, this email where they say Epic Team Admin has invited you to join Epic Games organization. Just click the button and it'll get you to the GitHub page where you're asked to join the Epic Games. Just accept that invite, and that's all. And you see there's join Epic Games organization. So go to this, and here it is, Blender Tools, and here these are. Make sure you read the readme.txt file. So it just says that you need to download the file in the zip format, and make sure you always run in the latest version of the add-on along with the latest version of the Blender. And yeah, how do you how do you know that there's a latest version available? You just have to do is just to click on this button, show to custom, go to custom, and then checkbox. In these checkbox you have to check these releases, security alerts, and issues, and then click apply. So in future, if they have an update, you'll see over here. Okay, we go to Blender, and I think, okay, it's still loading. Close this. So recently I've just exported a scene. This scene. So as soon as you install the Addon, you will see the pipeline option, and you will also see the collections, which is mesh, rig, collision, and extras. Well, in order to export the assets to the Unreal Engine correctly, you will need to place your objects, the geometry meshes, in the mesh collection category. So I will drop down, open this, and see I have my structure in which I have windows, moldings, glass, railing, and reinforced, which is wall and columns. So let me just select and see. See, I have this. You can export lights, but I'm not doing that because I wanted to use Unreal Engine specific spotlights instead. See, I also have lights. These lights, and then area lights, and area lights in disk, and area lights in rectangle over here, if you can see. And so I'm gonna pause the video and resume it when my Unreal Engine will launch. Alright, so I have my Unreal Engine launched, and you just need to choose a new project. Go to your whatever category you want, and then create a new project. I'll go with the one I've already created. So let me just open this one. Okay, here's my scene. I've already imported assets in the Unreal Engine. You can see assets over here. Let me just delete the lights. I don't want this spotlight for now. Just use this out. Okay. Direction light. Okay. This direction light. Okay. So you need to follow some rules. So here's the scene, and you need to follow some rules, which are the units. First of all, you need to select metric and unit scale 1. Accept these settings. Unreal Engine won't accept any other. I mean, if you have imperial and set this 1 or something else, you will select this. Go to your let me just make a new mesh. See, cube, and if you go to the pipeline, export, center Unreal, this will give an error. Imperial unit system is not recommended. Please change metric or disable the validation. So all you need to do is to go to metric, and if in metric you have something like 0.1, and again you go to the export, see unit scale 0.1 is not recommended, please change to 1 or disable the validation. I'm using 1 and send it to Unreal. It will take a while. Under the mesh collection selected, I'll just add a cube or any object perimeter. See, it's under the mesh, only a cube. So let me just add a donut instead. See, it's a donut. So you have to apply any modifiers going on. Let me just add in a subdivisional surface modifier, which is level 2. Apply it, shade smooth, go to this, normals, and that stuff, so to make sure you have smooth shading, and also apply scale and rotation and location. So we'll go to pipeline, export, send to Unreal. See, and on the Unreal, madman. See, no smooth group information was found in the FPX scene. Please make sure enable export smoothing groups option in the FBX export plugin. Okay. So close the message and see you have asset. And as soon as you drop it, you see the location, the z-axis will remain the same, but y and x-axis we need to set it. Go to the window, edit your preferences. Or here you need to search the CPU. Uncheck this option, make sure you have unchecked this option in the editor preferences. Close it, go to edit, go to project settings, and search for not here. Go to plugins, make sure you have enabled these plugins. Say this Python adder script plugin, number 1. Number 2, so for the spellings, editor, this one, adder scripting utilities, this one enabled, and under project settings, make sure you have Python remote execution enabled, this one. So I am putting a link for the add-on so that you can download it and enable it in Blender, but make sure you have, it will only export the meshes if you have this in the appropriate collection. If you have geometric primitives, you need to get this on the mesh collection. If you have any rig information of the animation, you need to put it in here. Any physics, put in over here, or extras, I don't know what is this. I honestly don't know what to put in extras, so let me just put it back into meshes. Good. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.